Lift the torso up. And release. Bring your legs together. Hands down. And push up. And release. Bring the hands under the shoulders. Feet up. And lift. And sit. Come back up. Knees off the floor, down dog position. Walk forward, the feet up. Bend the knees and roll up. Lie down onto your back. And bring your lie on your back and bring your knees to your chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. This time, you're going to bring it right here. Exhale. Inhale here. Exhale. Twist to the right. Bring the elbows to the knee and twist. Come back to the center. Inhale. Exhale. Elbow to the knee. Inhale back to the center. Switch your legs. Find them. Inhale up. Exhale twist. Inhale up. Exhale twist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. In and out. Inhale up and to the center. Exhale, elbow to the right knee. Inhale to the center. Elbow to the other knee. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring both arms up and out to the side. Now we did one reverse tabletop before. Let's do a second one looking straight ahead. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Straighten your legs and lie down to rest. Just a little relaxation time. And think about really if you really want to do it or not. That's what you're really thinking about. Puppies and yoga. It's a thing. I don't get it, but it's a thing. I do anything for the gig.